Welcome to Maryville College. My name's Aaron Solomon. Let's get this tour started, all right? So here we are at our first stop, the Covenant Stone. The Covenant Stone is by far one of the most important places on campus. It was actually put here in the early 2000s by students. The three tenets on here, scholarship, respect, and integrity, are what students felt embodied their 4 years here at Maryville College. You'll touch it twice out of the 4 years that you're here. Your freshman year, you'll come out here with your entire freshman class and you'll touch it saying that you're gonna signify these three tenets through your years here at MC. And then you'll touch it again your senior year. Once you're on your way to walk across the stage for graduation, you'll touch it and you'll go on into life saying that you followed these three tenets while you were here at our great school MC, okay? So now let's go check out Anderson. So here we are at Anderson Hall. It was actually named after our founder, Isaac Anderson, who was an Irish-Scottish Presbyterian minister. And it was one of our original buildings when we opened in 1819. If you take a bird's eye view of this building, you'll see it's in the shape of a cross because of his religious views, which I find very cool. This building also holds our language, literature, education, and humanities divisions. You'll be in here a bulk of your time because of your core curriculum, but after that, it's really all up to you depending on what you major in. Now let's go take a look at a classroom. Here we are in one of our classrooms. We pride ourselves in our class size with a student-teacher ratio of 13:1. This gives us the opportunity to ask questions before and after classes, as well as outside of our professors' office hours. We always say that you're more than just a number here. Here I am in the Clayton Center for the Arts. We actually have two additions to the Clayton Center. Where I am is Clayton Center A. It's actually home to our Fine Arts division, so our music and theater, but it's also home to our Ronald and Linda Nutt Theater, which holds our 1,200 student body, plus some. And then we also have home to our Flex Theater, which is our black box theater, which gives you more of the feel of a Broadway play, which is really awesome. And then we have our Clayton Center B, which holds our Lambert Recital Hall and our physical arts. So our painting, our sculpting, and our clay making, all of that is held in that building. The really awesome thing about being a student here at Maryville College is all the things that go on campus are free and discounted to students, which is really awesome because we have some great things that go on here. If you have any questions, go check out the link below and you can get all the information that you need, okay? So let's keep moving. Here I am in the center of campus now. While I'm here, I want to point out a few things to you. So I have the Sutton Science Center behind me, which is home to our natural sciences and our behavioral sciences, and also our American Sign Language program. The fun thing about our American Sign Language program is we were one of the first schools to offer that 4-year degree here. And also, if you get a 100% placement rating after you go through the entire program, which is really awesome. Then there's our international house. We have a huge international community who comes here to get educated with the MC students, and it's awesome. And also it's home to our study abroad program. We encourage our students to go across the globe and learn and experience different things because it pushes them further in the next steps in their lives after they walk away from Maryville College. Then there's Pearson's Hall. Pearson's Hall is by far one of my favorite places on campus due to, one, I live there, but also the food is there too. And I get an opportunity to just walk downstairs and get some ice cream in my system, and then, hey, go right back to sleep if I decide. And lastly, because of our fit, green, happy nature that we here at Maryville College, we have our solar docks. There are 2 of them in the heart of campus. If you want to just hang out with your friends and come do homework, come bring your charger for your laptop or a charger for your phone and just get done with it. It's really awesome, okay? Here I am now in front of the CCM, Center for Campus Ministry. We are a Presbyterian affiliated college, but that doesn't mean you have to be a Presbyterian to go here. Also, it's home to our Bonner Scholars. Our Bonner Scholars focus heavily on community engagement and community service hours. And lastly, it's home to our chapels on Tuesdays at 1:15. Hey, you don't have to go, it's not required, but if you decide, it's a good pick-me-up for you. I love going here because there's so many resources for me and it's a quiet place to study and just hang out. If you have any other questions about that, don't be afraid to reach out, okay? So where I am now is where we have our outdoor classroom. We actually have several of these on campus. The really cool thing about our outdoor classroom is it gets you outside of the normal class setting that you usually have. The opportunity to come and learn in the nature environment is so amazing. They say it makes you learn better, and who could deny that when you have your birds and your squirrels hanging out with you? So this is Fayweather Hall. Fayweather Hall actually reopened up in 2001 due to a fire burning it down in 1999. We usually say that it's our one-stop shop for students academically. So it holds your business office, your financial aid office, your registrar, and your admissions office all on the first floor. On the second floor, it holds our nurse. She's here about 3 days out of the week. She actually works at Blunt Memorial, which is right across the street, so I promise she knows what she's doing. On the third floor, it holds our president, Dr. Tom Bogart. We're actually going through a presidential transition right now, so in the fall, starting in July, we'll have a new president, Brian Coker, coming in with us. So let's keep moving to the next spot, all right? Hey, we're now at our last stop for the day on this tour. This is Stahl Hall behind me. Stahl is home to our library, our social sciences, and our academic success center. You'll get to know this place a lot here at Maryville College in your 4 years. Hey, there's so much that you're gonna see here at Maryville College. I really hope you check us out. If you wanna see anything else, we have a virtual map on our website, so make sure to go click on that link. There's so many different things to see. Again, my name's Aaron Solomon. I welcome you to Maryville College. Go Scots!